Hi everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing on the luxury end of the primers. This is the Algenist Pore Corrector Anti-Aging Primer. So let's give it a go. My skin's literally just been cleansed this morning and moisturised, there's nothing else on it. I'll take a little picture of it so you can see what the quality is. We can see I do have quite visible pores here and here across my cheeks. Okay, so this cost me, I will check the price, I'll pop the price on the screen. I think it was about £37, but I will double check that. This one, apply evenly to clean and moisturise and or moisturise, so it's probably got a bit of moisturiser in it. Moisturise skin, avoiding the eye area. For a flawless finish, allow it to dry prior to applying makeup. Right, well I'll pop a bit on now. Sometimes again, a lot of the pores you can see, for me, due to my age, are sort of across here, and because I get a bit of dry skin, I find sometimes when I put makeup on, you can kind of see my age through my skin via the pores. Because when you're younger, they're nice and tight. One way to close your pores quickly is a good icy blast of cold water, so that's always something cheap and free that you can do prior to any of this, which will also close some of your pores up. So obviously when you've had a steamy shower or a steamy bath, they are going to open up naturally, and then they will take probably longer to close. I'll double check that. As the older you get, they've opened a bit more, but I don't think they ever close fully as we get older, because we lose that elasticity in our skin. Okay, that's all rubbed in. Feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry. It feels like I've got like this little silky layer on my skin, like an invisible sheen. It seems to have taken some of the shine off my skin. I don't know if you can see that from there. It's not greasy. I do suffer from the odd breakout. I'll sort of get a breakout around here, which is I think like hormonal breakouts. Sometimes around there, there was a little mark, which was a nice little spot not that long ago. So it will not be too greasy if you're worried about it causing any spots. We'll take a picture of it with the primer on. Okay, so the foundation I'm using is my current favourite at the moment, which is the Chanel. Again, it's perfect for blurring pores and things like that. This is the Ultra Latent Velvet Blurring Smooth Effect Foundation, Velvet Matte Finish. I use this in a shade beige. I'm only putting a little light coverage on, just to see what it looks like with the primer underneath. Also, I find the key to not showing as much of my pores is having some moisture in my skin. The drier it is, the more it will show all of the little skin lines, pores, creases, all the stuff that we're trying to mask. I put a really, really thin layer on. And then just blending it in really well. just to create the image that you have beautiful flawless skin and you're not actually wearing any foundation, when actually we've got a little bit on. Well, I can see a difference already. I think the two products go together really well. I'll take another picture. Just another note, something that I think is really, really important. There is no filters on my camera when I'm taking a video. Basically, there is a lot of filtering done on YouTube, Instagram, which is really hard when you're trying to buy makeup, because you can watch these videos of these YouTubers or Instagram people and they look absolutely flawless, and you think, right, there's something wrong. Why doesn't my skin look like that? What do I need to buy? What do I need to get? And people will buy every single thing under the planet to try and get something that isn't real. That they've softened their face so much on the videos and the photos that it's not the makeup that looks fantastic. It's those gentle softening video editing tools, which when you're trying to work out whether a makeup works or not, they're just not helpful when it comes to makeup. So if you're watching one of my videos, they will be real. There is no filter. This is me, this is my skin, and what I want to be able to do is to show you whether these products work or don't. We can all pop a little filter on and look fantastic, but it doesn't help anybody know if that foundation actually works or not. It's just, it's all fake really. So there will be no fakeness in my videos. I'm here, I'm real. There's no little sheen to make me look better than I need to be. You know, I'd rather be honest and we can all work out if a product works or not, because some of these products are so expensive and you've got people thinking, well, why don't I look like that? And it's really disheartening because they think that there's something wrong with their skin, or that they haven't spent enough money and they need to buy this sort of £80 skincare regime, and then they need to get this primer on top, and then they need to buy this foundation, and they get all the products, they put it all on, and they still think, well, why doesn't it look like that on me? This is why it doesn't look like that on you, because then it doesn't look like those on those people that are doing the videos. They've just got this lovely little sheen or video editing, which just puts this sort of, it just filters some of the, you know, it makes everything look so super soft, super silky and flawless, and it's just not real life. So what hopefully you will get from me is real life. It was a big long waffle there, wasn't it? Okay, so I've taken some pictures. I'm going to pop a little bit of concealer on just to finish it off. Try not to waffle too much in these videos, and then before you know it, I start waffling. So I'm just finishing off just for those little bits under my eyes. I'm not going to go all over the place for concealer today, because it's literally just a real quick video to see whether this primer actually does make a difference or not. Like I said, I had a little spot not that long ago there. It's still left this little red patch. I don't want it to show. So I've not done any blusher, any bronzer or anything like that, or any lipstick. It's just the skin we're looking at now to see if we've made any difference. Blend that a little bit better. I've not put powder on just so we can see, because sometimes obviously powder does do quite a good job on its own. "40 years young," trying to pretend that I'm still 30. I think it's done a pretty good job. Obviously, if I was popping out, I would stick a bit of bronzer on and finish doing the rest of my makeup, but this is just wanted to see whether it works or not. I'll take a picture, one more picture. Right, that is the Algenist Pore Correcting Anti-Aging Primer. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think it's really good. If you have got a bit of room to spare in your budget for your makeup, it's a massive size. I think it's a big 30ml. We only need a tiny little bit, so that would probably last you two months maybe, depending on how much you go out, maybe 3 months. If you really just want to look flawless every day, it's just something you can add on straight away after you put your moisturiser on. I'm giving it the thumbs up, and I'm going to compare this next with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer and see if there's much of a difference, because not everybody has got £37 to spend on a primer. So I want to know if you can still get the same look by spending less. Thanks for watching.